So guys, today I opened CapCut with full motivation. Coffee ready. Creative mindset on. Deadline screaming in my ears. And guess what? CapCut said, not today. The app is either stuck on the loading screen like it's buffering in 2012, or it logs me out like I owe it money. Templates. Gone. Effects. Missing. My patience. Also not loading. Before you panic and throw your phone, relax. It's not your internet. It's not your storage. It's not because you downloaded Free Fonts Pack 2024. CapCut servers are probably taking a small vacation without informing us. When the servers go down, anything that needs internet, like cloud projects, templates, auto captions, fancy effects, just disappears. It's like CapCut turned into a basic video cutter from 2005. And the worst part, this always happens when you finally decide to be productive. Not yesterday. Not tomorrow. Today. So what can you do? Option 1, wait. Option 2, restart the app 47 times for emotional satisfaction. Option 3, pretend this is a sign to take a break. Don't worry, it'll be back soon. CapCut always comes back, usually right after we finish complaining about it.